How to change your Wi-Fi hotspot password. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. To change your Wi-Fi hotspot password, all you need to do is follow these few simple steps. So first thing first, open your settings app. Now search for hotspot. So here on middle of your screen you can see this hotspot. So tap on it. Now tap on set up portable hotspot. And here you will see this box with password. If there is no any password option, then make sure your security is set to WPA2 personal. To change it, simply tap on security. And if it is set on none, then you won't be able to set any password. So make sure it is on WPA2 personal. So once you do that, simply erase your old password and type in your new password. And once you type your new password, on top of your screen, you will see the stick icon. So tap on it. And your hotspot password will be successfully changed. So this is how you can change Wi-Fi hotspot password. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.